Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to choose your suction levels on TCL Sweeva 6000. Suction can be changed by clicking on parameters in the bottom right corner. Then you can set it to the quiet mode, to standard, medium, or high. And that is basically what you can do here. Remember, the lower modes will be quieter and more energy efficient, but less precise in cleaning, and then the opposite ones will be less energy efficient, louder, and better at cleaning in general. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.